Good morning, grade 3. How are you today? Hope fine. Today I will be conducting my math lesson. It's about equivalent fraction. Please open your book, page 601, and let us start our lesson. The objectives of today is that you will use models to find equivalent fraction. You will tell me, teacher, what do you mean by equivalent fractions? As usual, you will start asking questions before finishing my lesson, but I will answer you. Equivalent from its name, equi, it means equal, equal fraction, like the activity that we did before. Look at this fraction, it's 2 out of 4. The fraction that looks like 2 over 4 is 1 over 2. How? We will know in this lesson. Let's review the vocabulary words that we took last lesson. Fraction is part of the whole, like this one. This one is a fraction. Numerator, the part that is written above the line, which is on the top. Denominator, the whole that is written under the line, which is on the bottom. Equivalent fraction are fractions that name the same amount or part. 1 over 4 is a fraction. 1 is excellent numerator, and 4 is, yes, denominator. Now, what is equivalent fraction? Look at this picture. Imagine that you have here 2 pizzas. One you will cut it into half, and one you will cut it into 6 pieces. If you want to eat these pizzas, you will take half of this one and give your partner half, and you will take 3 pieces from this pizza and give your partner 3 pizzas. Look, it's the same amount but different fraction. So 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over 6. Now look at this example on your book, page 601. No has 1/2 of the fruit pizza. How could No cut the pizza into smaller equal sized piece and still have half of the whole pizza? Look here, one is a whole, like this one. You see? One is a whole. He cut it into 2 pieces, and he cut it into 4 pieces also. Okay? So, use 1 over 4 fraction tiles to equal the length of the half a fraction of the fraction tile model. You see here, we cut the whole into half, and then you see here they shade 2/4. So 2 over 4 makes 1 over 2. So how many 1 over 4 tiles are there? Look here. It's 2. So 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 are what? What is the word that we took? They are equal, isn't it? So we can say that they are equivalent fraction. They represent the same part of one whole. So equivalent fraction are fractions that name the same part of a whole. Look at this. No could cut half of the pizza into even smaller equal sized pizzas. Look here. It's a whole. We can make it half. We can make it fourth. But we have to know how many eighths makes half. So, how many eighths tiles are there? Look here. You see, the equal part here makes what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 8. So 1 over 8 is equal to 4 over 8. Excellent. So 1 over 2 equals 2 over 4 equals 4 over 8. These are all equal fraction. So we call them equivalent fractions. Great job. So again, equivalent fractions are fractions that name the same part of the whole. What is the rule here? The rule of equivalent fraction, it can be only made by multiply or divide. And whatever I do to the numerator, which is the top, I've got to do in the denominator, which is the bottom. Now you will see. You see here, 1 over 2. I multiply 1 by 2, it becomes 2. Then, because I multiply the top, which is the numerator, by 2, I must multiply the denominator with the same number. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. It's the same for 3 over 6. You see here? 1 times what equal 3? 1 times 3. Excellent. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So I multiply 1 with the 3, it becomes a 3. Now the 2, I must multiply it with the same number, which is 3 also. 2 times a 3, come on, remember 2 times 3 is what? 6. So 3 out of 6 is the same number as, or the same fraction as 1 over 2. The same as all. You can try it and tell me. Don't forget. Let's continue. Here is the second example. Kwan's bookshelf has 3 shelves. Only one of the shelves has books. Kwan says third. 1 over 3, we said third of the shelves have books. His mom says 2 over 6 of the shelves have books. Are they both correct? To know if they are both correct or not, we have to model, as I told you. So here, this is 1. We cut the 1 into 3 pieces. 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3, and shade 1. Why did I shade 1? Because Kwan said that third of the shelves have books. Now, we will cut also the third into 6 pieces, and I will color 2. Why? Because the numerator here said 2, and you will color 2 parts out of the whole 6. So you will color 2. So 1 over 3 and 2 over 6. Both are the same part. So 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 6. You see here? 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 6. So both are equivalent. You see here? You see? 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 6. So both are equivalent. Now look at the first question here. Complete the number. 1 over 2 is equal to how many? Come on, tell me quick. Look here, 1 over 2. How many fourths do I have? 1, 2. It's 2 over 4. Great job. Now, let's go to the second question. 1 over 2 is equal to how many 6? Come on, count. 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 over 6. Here, look at this question. I have here 8 and here 4. How many parts they shade? 3. So 3 over 4 is the same number as 6 over 8. Now look here. Before I start question number 4, you have to know to circle on the number line 2 over 4. Why? Because it's written here 2 over 4, circle, and circle directly what is under it. So 2 over 4 like this, circle it, and circle under it 4 over 8. So 2 over 4 is equal to how many? 4 over 8. Who can tell me? Boys, look here. 2 times what equal 4? 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equal 4. So because I multiply the numerator, I have to multiply the denominator the same number I do it up above. So 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. That's why our fraction is equivalent, because they have the same what? Multiplication. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. So both have the same number. Look at the second one, which is number 5. 1 over 3 is equal to how many? Yes, It's 2 over 6. Great job. Now look at this one. This one we will take a bit time. We will match. How you will know? Just use your eyes, your brain, and let's start counting. 1 over 2. Which one of these you can see that it's similar to 1 over 2? Yes, it is 1 over 8. Here, how many eighths do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over 8 is equal to what? Which one is similar to this one? No, it's not, not 4 over 6. No. Yes, it is 3 over 4. Now I will tell you why when we finish from matching. 1 over 3, you see here? It's similar to 4 over 6. And 1 over 4 is 2 over 8. Now I want you to hold your pencil and start writing above each one the two fractions that are equivalent. So here 1 over 4, which is this one, equals to 2 over 8. And then 2 over 3 equal how many sixths? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sixths. Oh, here I have a mistake. It's 4, not 1. 1 over 2 equals 4 over 8. And 6 over 8 equals 3 over 4. Don't forget here it's not 1. Okay, it's 4. 4 over 6. So look here. 1 times 2 equal 2. 4 times 2 equal 8. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 6. 3 times what equals 6? 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. Thank you.